Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on Tatatu, all right? So you came across this social media app platform and you're wondering, what are some of the rewards that they can give you? Can you make money from this app? How does this actually work? And is this worth your time? That is the big question, okay? If you're spending hours and hours a day on an app, can you really make money from it, or are there better ways to do it? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below in the description box and I'll send you that strategy for free to your email if you'd like to check it out, okay? Now, let's take a look at Tatatu. Now, Tatatu is a pretty cool app. Like, if you look at it, you download it, it's available globally. You can download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And the interface kind of looks like this on the right hand side, right? So very professional looking app. You can scroll and follow different people. You can scroll, it kind of looks like Facebook, to be honest. As you're scrolling down, you can make posts, you can share videos, you can reshare something, you can comment. And that's kind of how they get you to get involved with the platform in order for you to make a little bit more coins, okay? So at the top here, you can see this Tatatu gold coin here. So these are the Tatatu coins that you will make for every single action that you take on this particular site, right? So a few different things you can do. You can, get involved in social media. You can watch videos to earn coins. You can get involved in auctions, and you can buy from their e-commerce store, which we will talk about in a second, all right? Now, here's what it actually looks like. So as you are going through things, like, so for example, if you can watch a show, for example, and get coins, okay? So some of the ways that you can get coins are not only watching videos on the actual social media feed, but you can post things, you can make comments, you can follow people. If people follow you, you get a certain amount of points, right? And generally speaking, for most of the activities that you do, you get one Tatatu point. All right, so if you post, you get 1 point. If you comment, you get a point. If you share, you get a point. If somebody follows you, you get 2 points. If you watch 100 minutes of video on their platform, you'll get 12 points. Okay, now 100 minutes is quite a long time. That's like an hour and a half worth of spending just watching, videos and ads and reviews and things like that on their platform. But they'll give you a little bit more points for doing things like that. Okay, now here's the big question. Once you get a certain amount of points, what can you do with those points? Can you cash them out into real money, or can you not, right? How does this actually work? Okay, so the next thing is that, so this is the interesting thing about Tatatu. It doesn't really work the same way as a lot of other social media app platforms do. A lot of them will allow you to convert that into cash, okay? So most of them will allow you to take your coins, turn it into real cash and withdraw through PayPal. But Tatatu doesn't allow you to do that. What they allow you to do, though, is they allow you to log into their e-commerce store, okay? And based on whatever they have on the e-commerce store at that particular time, you can exchange your coins and buy some of the products from that store, okay? But here's the big catch, okay? Here's the big caveat with this, is that their products are not 100% free. That means that no matter how many coins you have, so even if you have 5,000 coins, right, you still have to pay a little bit extra for every single product that you buy, which is a bit weird, okay? So excuse me, for example, if you go to the technology section and you find like a weighing scale, like a little weighing scale, or maybe you find a piece of a little stick of lipstick, or excuse me, or maybe you're buying like a mouse, for example, right? It's gonna cost you roughly about 40 to 60 coins, which is between 10 to 15 US dollars. Okay, so 40 coins is equivalent to 10 US dollars. So 40 to 60 coins that you can use from your own coins that you have added up by spending time on the Tatatu app, right? But on top of that, you have to pay an extra $5 or $7 or $8 in order for your purchase to be successful. So it's a very weird setup, okay? So yes, you can earn Tatatu coins from playing on the app, from posting, from commenting, from sharing, for getting involved, and then you can go to the e-commerce store and buy some products, but you have to spend real money in order for you to actually get that product, and all of the products are the same. It's very odd, okay? So I think it's a bit weird, okay? Because yes, you can get stuff for free, but you still have to pay a little bit of money to release your product, and I find that a bit strange, okay? So can you make real money from Tatatu? Not really. This is more of like a, they're gonna reward you some points for spending time on their application. The more time you spend, the more interaction you spend on the app, the more points you can make, and you can exchange them for goods, but you have to pay a little bit extra of real money for that actual good, and so you never really make any cash, if that makes sense, right? So you can get a couple of products here and there, but top up with a little bit of money. But will you ever make like $100 and withdraw that cash? No, that's not how this app works at all. This is more of like kind of like a rewards app, where you can buy different things based on their selection. And again, their store is okay. It's not as good as Amazon, obviously. It's not as good as even your local online e-commerce platform. But it's okay. They have some things, and if you spend a little bit of time from on the app, you can get some of these things, but you have to pay a little bit of cash out. So for me, not the best. I think it's a bit of a weird setup, to be honest. I think that there are better ways for you to spend your money. I mean, look, if you're spending 2 or 3 hours on an app and you're trying to make money, it should allow you to make hundreds and hundreds instead of just a little bit here, a little bit there, and then you have to pay extra to be limited on the amount of things that you can earn. That's just my personal opinion. But it's real, it's legit, it's global. So if you want to check out Tatatu, you can just head to the Google Play Store or the App Store, the iTunes App Store, and just install this app on your phone, and you can check it out if you would like. Okay, so that's Tatatu right there for you. If you're here though watching this video, then maybe you're looking for a way to make some additional income, maybe a full-time income, maybe a side income. Maybe you understand that being online has strategies that will allow you to make hundreds of dollars a day if you understand how to do it correctly. Okay, so if you would like my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy directly to your email. You can check it out if you want. I hope you enjoyed this review today, and I will see you on another review. Take care.